Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the question which is related to new profit sharing ratio, under which we are going to solve a problem related to sacrificing ratio when the partners are going to sacrifice their ratio. Let's see how to solve this problem. Akbar and Anthony are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So there are two partners named as Akbar and Anthony. Their ratio is given in the question, which is nothing but 3:2. Mr. Amar is admitted into partnership and their new profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. Mr. Amar is admitted and now they are having a new profit sharing ratio which is nothing but 5:3:2 respectively. Calculate ratio of sacrifice of old partners. So Mr. Amar is a new partner, so we do not have to calculate the sacrificing ratio of Amar, but we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio of Mr. Akbar and Mr. Anthony. So what is the old ratio of Akbar and Anthony? We have to take out the given information first. Before going for that, what is the formula for ratio of sacrifice? Means ratio of sacrifice is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So to know the ratio of sacrifice of Amar and Akbar, we have to know about the old ratio and new ratio. So what is given in the problem means Akbar's old ratio. Akbar's old ratio 3:2. 3:2 is nothing but 3/5. Here Anthony's old ratio. Anthony's old ratio, which is equal to 3:2. 3:2 means 2/5. 3/5, 2/5 is the ratio of Akbar and Anthony respectively, their old ratios. What about their new ratios? Akbar new ratio. Akbar's new ratio. Akbar's new ratio is equal to, here the new profit sharing ratios of Akbar, Anthony and Amar is mentioned here 5:3:2, which is nothing but Akbar's ratio is 5/10. You add all these 5 plus 3 plus 2. 5:3:2 is nothing but 5 plus 3 plus 2, so that you will come to know 10, and this is your denominator. 5/10 is the new ratio of Akbar. Anthony's new ratio is equal to 3/10. 3/10. So what is the sacrificing ratio here now? So what is the sacrificing ratio means Akbar's sacrificing ratio, Anthony's sacrificing ratio. For Akbar's sacrificing ratio, his old ratio minus his new ratio. Akbar's sacrificing ratio, Akbar's sacrifice is equal to his old ratio. What is his old ratio? 3/5 minus what is his new ratio? 5/10. Now simplify this calculation. What is the multiplication of 5 into 10? You will get 50. Go for a cross multiplication. 10 into 3 you will get 30 minus 5 into 5 you will give 5 multiplies 5, 25. Now simplify this. 30 minus 25 gives you 5/50. If you also go for more, what should I say, that simplification, you will come to know that 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. So here 1/10 is the sacrifice of Akbar. What about Anthony? Let's see Anthony's sacrifice. Anthony's sacrifice is equal to his old share. Anthony's old share is 2/5. Anthony's old share is 2/5 minus Anthony's new ratio or new share, you can say that 3/10. So 3/10, which is equal to 5 into 10, 50, 10 into 2, 20, minus 5 into 3, 15, which is equal to 20 minus 15 gives you 5/50. Again you go for simplification of this. 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50, is nothing but 1/10. So Akbar's sacrifice and Anthony's sacrifice is nothing but 1/10, 1/10, which means their sacrifice is 1:1. So Akbar and Anthony sacrifice is 1:1. This is your answer. So in this type of question, it has given you the details about old ratio and new ratio. We have to find out sacrificing ratio. So in this type of question, it has given you that Akbar and Anthony are two friends or the two partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2, which is said to be 3/5, 2/5. Mr. Amar is admitted into partnership, and after admission their new profit sharing ratio, here there in the sense Akbar, Anthony and Amar. Akbar, Anthony, Amar ratio is, new profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2 is given in the question. So we have to calculate ratio of sacrifice of old partners. Who are the old partners? Akbar and Anthony are the old partners. So Akbar's old ratio is 3/5, Anthony's old ratio is 2/5. Whereas Akbar's new ratio is 5/10, Anthony's new ratio is 3/10. How do you know that? It is given in the question that 5:3:2. If you add 5 plus 3 plus 2 gives you 10, which is nothing but the denominator. 5/10, 3/10. 5/10 is the new ratio of Akbar, 3/10 is the new ratio of Anthony. So Akbar's sacrifice is equal to old ratio. What is the Akbar's old ratio? 3/5 minus his new ratio is 5/10. So 3/5 minus 5/10 is nothing but 5 into 10 gives you 50, 10 into 3 30, cross multiplication, 5 into 5 25, 30 minus 25 gives you 5, 5/50, 5/50 is nothing but 1/10. Like that, same for Anthony's sacrifice, his old ratio 2/5. From where did you get this? It is given in the question, 2/5. So Anthony's sacrifice is his old ratio or old share 2/5 minus his new share. New share is already given in the question, which is 3/10. 2/5 minus 3/10. So 5 into 10 you will get 50, 10 into 2 cross multiplication 20, 5 into 3 15, 20 minus 15 divided by 50 gives you 5/50. 5/50 is nothing but 1/10. So the sacrificing ratio of Akbar and Anthony is 1:1. So Akbar and Anthony's sacrificing ratio is 1:1. Hope you understood this class. We'll continue in the next upcoming classes. Thank you very much.